When it comes to achieving glowing skin and luscious hair, we all yearn for simple, natural solutions that have stood the test of time. In the treasure trove of Ayurveda and traditional Indian practices, there's an age-old remedy that continues to captivate beauty enthusiasts and skincare experts alike: Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth. This humble clay mineral has been revered for centuries for its myriad benefits in cleansing, purifying, and rejuvenating the skin and hair. In today's fast-paced world, our skin and hair often bear the brunt of environmental stressors, pollution, and harsh skincare products. But what if there was a natural way to combat these issues and restore your skin and hair to their former glory? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the 10 powerful ways to use Multani Mitti and reveal its incredible advantages. Number 1. A natural cleanser. At the core of any skincare regimen lies a good cleanser, and Multani Mitti excels in this domain. Its unique mineral composition and absorbent properties make it an excellent choice for removing dirt, excess oil, and impurities from the skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. To harness this cleansing power, mix 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti with a dash of lemon juice and enough water to form a paste. Apply this paste to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. The mild astringent properties of Multani Mitti will help in tightening the skin, minimizing the appearance of pores, and leaving you with a refreshed, rejuvenated complexion. Number 2. An exfoliating scrub. Exfoliation is crucial for revealing brighter, smoother skin by removing dead skin cells that often lead to dullness. Multani Mitti, with its gentle abrasive texture, makes for a fantastic exfoliating scrub. Combine Multani Mitti with a few drops of tea tree oil, known for its antimicrobial properties, and a spoonful of yogurt, which acts as a natural moisturizer. Apply this scrub to your face in circular motions, paying attention to areas with rough or dry skin. Rinse thoroughly to reveal softer, radiant skin. This scrub not only polishes the skin, but also provides nourishment, leaving it healthier and more luminous. Number 3. A brightening agent. Hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone can often dampen one's confidence. Fortunately, Multani Mitti comes to the rescue as a natural brightening agent. Its ability to absorb excess oil and impurities helps in controlling sebum production, which is a common cause of clogged pores and subsequent hyperpigmentation. Incorporate Multani Mitti into your skincare routine by mixing it with aloe vera gel or honey to form a paste. Apply this paste to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. Consistency is key when using Multani Mitti for brightening, and it's recommended to use it at least twice a week for optimal results. No. 4. A toner for pores. Pores are essential for our skin, but enlarged pores can sometimes be a cause of concern. Multani Mitti, with its remarkable absorbent properties, makes for an excellent natural toner for minimizing the appearance of pores. Its ability to draw out impurities and excess sebum from the pores leaves the skin with a refined texture. Create a Multani Mitti toner by mixing it with witch hazel, a natural astringent, and a few drops of lavender essential oil, known for its calming properties. Apply this toner to your skin using a cotton pad after cleansing, and it will help tighten the pores, leaving your skin with a smoother, more refined appearance. Number 5. A cooling agent for sunburn. Sunburn can be a painful and uncomfortable experience. But nature has provided us with a soothing solution in the form of Multani Mitti. Its cooling properties can help alleviate the discomfort of sunburn, reduce inflammation, and accelerate the healing process. To harness these benefits, mix Multani Mitti with water or aloe vera gel to form a paste. Apply this paste to the affected area and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. The anti-inflammatory properties of Multani Mitti will help soothe the skin and provide relief from the burning sensation associated with sunburn. Number 6. A mask for oily skin. Oily skin can be a challenge, but Multani Mitti offers an effective solution as a natural mask for oil control. Its ability to absorb excess sebum helps keep the skin matte and prevents the formation of oil throughout the day. Create an oil-fighting mask by combining Multani Mitti with lemon juice and a touch of turmeric. Apply this mask to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. The astringent properties of lemon juice and the antimicrobial properties of turmeric work synergistically with Multani Mitti to combat oily skin and prevent breakouts. Number 7. A mask for dry skin. Dry skin can lead to a rough, flaky complexion, but Multani Mitti comes to the rescue with its hydrating properties. Its unique composition helps retain moisture in the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and well-nourished. To create a hydrating mask, mix Multani Mitti with a generous amount of honey and a splash of milk. Apply this mask to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. Honey's humectant properties and milk's natural emollients work with Multani Mitti to deeply moisturize the skin and combat dryness. Number 8. A hair cleanser. The benefits of Multani Mitti extend beyond the skin, reaching into the realm of hair care as a natural cleanser. Its absorbent properties make it ideal for removing dirt and product buildup from the hair and scalp, leaving it refreshed and revitalized. To use Multani Mitti as a hair cleanser, mix it with water and gently massage it into your scalp and hair. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow with a mild shampoo for a deeper clean. This practice can help improve scalp health and enhance the overall condition of your hair. Number 9. A conditioner for frizzy hair. Frizzy hair can be a common problem, but Multani Mitti offers a solution as a natural conditioner to tame unruly strands. Its ability to add volume to the hair makes it an excellent choice for those with fine or limp hair. Mix Multani Mitti with water and a dash of apple cider vinegar, known for its conditioning properties, and apply it to your hair. Leave it in for 20 minutes before rinsing to reveal smoother, more manageable hair. The addition of apple cider vinegar enhances the texture of Multani Mitti, providing a nourishing conditioning treatment. Number 10. A hair growth promoter. While genetics play a role in hair growth, environmental factors can significantly impact its health and thickness. Multani Mitti comes to the rescue once again by promoting hair growth and thickness. Its rich mineral content nourishes the hair follicles, stimulating growth and improving overall hair health. Create a hair growth promoting pack by mixing Multani Mitti with coconut oil, known for its moisturizing properties, and a few crushed fenugreek seeds, which are rich in protein. Apply this pack to your hair and scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. The combination of coconut oil and fenugreek seeds with Multani Mitti provides a nourishing blend to support healthy hair growth. Embracing the wisdom of tradition. From cleansing and brightening to sunburn relief and hair care, Multani Mitti proves to be a versatile natural remedy with numerous applications. Its traditional use in India for skin and hair rejuvenation is backed by centuries of wisdom and experience. Incorporating Multani Mitti into your daily routine can lead to healthier, more radiant skin and luscious hair. So embrace the wisdom of tradition and unlock the natural beauty secrets passed down through generations. As we conclude our exploration of the myriad benefits of Multani Mitti, we are left in awe of its simplicity and effectiveness. This humble clay mineral holds a treasure trove of health and beauty secrets that have stood the test of time. Its ability to cleanse, purify, and rejuvenate the skin and hair makes it an invaluable addition to our natural remedy arsenal. If you've been hesitant to incorporate Multani Mitti into your routine, it's time to give it a try. Start with simple applications like a face mask or hair cleanser and gradually explore its various benefits. You might be surprised at the transformative effects it can have on your skin and hair. Thank you for joining us on this journey to rediscover the age-old wisdom of natural remedies. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, nature holds the secrets to your healthiest and most beautiful self. Stay tuned for more videos that unlock the power of nature for your well-being.